you ever imagined encountering a creature so serpent-like, so oddly majestic that it makes you think of some mythical beast? Meet Litonotus cygnus, a single-celled organism that might just remind you of the Loch Ness Monster, but on a microscopic scale. Today, we'll dive into the hidden realm of this fascinating ciliate, discovering how it hunts, how it moves, and why it might just be one of the strangest members of the micro-world. Litonotus cygnus is part of a group of protozoa called Litostomathids. Think of them as the more predatory cousins of better-known ciliates like Paramecium. But Litonotus doesn't just float passively. It can prowl the water, elongating its body in a graceful yet eerie shape, scanning for prey. Some species have earned nicknames like cygnus, hinting at a swan-like elegance. Watch closely. That long neck sweeps through the water, reminiscent of a serpent seeking its next meal. The graceful arcs you see aren't the result of multiple cells working together. This is a single cell showcasing complex behavior that rivals multicellular predators. Here's a surprise. Litonotus cygnus is an opportunistic hunter, able to devour various microbes it encounters, like small ciliates or unsuspecting rotifers. To accomplish that, it uses specialized structures called toxicysts or extrusums, which can stun prey and reel it in. You might wonder, how does it coordinate such sophisticated movement without a brain? That's part of the magic in the microscopic realm. Ciliary patterns, internal signaling, and environmental cues guide its complex behavior. It's like watching a creature from a myth, yet it's all encoded in one cell's biology. While Stentor and Lacrimaria often steal the show with their iconic trumpet shapes or whipping necks, Litonotus cygnus remains a lesser-known star. Many call it the Loch Ness Monster of the microworld because of its serpentine silhouette. Yet we're only beginning to unravel the full extent of its feeding habits and life cycle. Some researchers suggest Litonotus might even adapt its body posture depending on the type of prey around, almost like a shape-shifting predator. If that doesn't capture your imagination, I'm not sure what will. So the next time someone talks about legendary monsters like Nessie, remember that sometimes truth hides in the tiniest corners of our planet. Litonotus cygnus proves that a single cell can be just as mysterious, captivating, and perhaps a little frightening. But that's the beauty of the microscopic universe. It challenges our notions of scale, complexity, and what it takes to survive. Thank you for venturing with me into this hidden realm. If you enjoyed discovering the micro Loch Ness Monster, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trips into the unseen world of biology. Until next time, stay curious.